Your retainer could be harboring more bacteria than a toilet handle, and brushing alone will never fully fix that. Budget Buying tested 5 ultrasonic retainer cleaners to find which ones actually deliver clinical level results at home. One clearly rises above the rest, but every option here solves a different problem worth understanding first. If you're new to ultrasonic cleaning and just want something reliable to start your daily routine, this is a smart entry point. Tebal opens the lineup with genuinely capable hardware for its price range. Running at 52,000 Hz with 25 watts of power, it generates millions of microscopic bubbles that work their way into crevices standard brushing simply can't reach, cleaning retainers, aligners, dentures, and even jewelry without causing damage. 4 ultraviolet lights at 254 nanometers work alongside the ultrasonic action, targeting lingering odors and residue for a more complete result. 3 timed modes give you control depending on how dirty the item actually is, running 3, 5, or 7 minutes with UV light included throughout. Noise stays impressively low, sitting under 40 decibels, and a non-slip rubber base keeps the unit stable during operation. With a 250 milliliter stainless steel tank, it comfortably fits multiple item types, and its compact footprint travels easily for office or travel use. The quiet operation and flexible mode selection make this an easy, low-stress introduction to ultrasonic cleaning. Included tweezers and a removable basket add thoughtful convenience too. Its main limitation is lower wattage compared to some competitors, meaning tougher buildup may need a slightly longer cycle. For everyday maintenance, though, it performs reliably without unnecessary complexity. Struggling with retainers that still smell off even after a quick rinse? This next option throws considerably more power at that exact problem. Cobeek keeps the same 52,000 Hz frequency but pushes power up to 36 watts, giving it noticeably more cleaning force behind every cycle. That extra strength pairs with 6 ultraviolet lights, a meaningful jump from 4, spreading light coverage more evenly across whatever you're cleaning and improving odor elimination in the process. The same 3-mode system returns here, letting you choose 3, 5, or 7-minute cycles, depending on how much buildup you're dealing with. Noise stays reasonably controlled under 45 decibels, and the anti-slip base keeps the unit steady during operation. Constructed from a mix of ABS plastic and insulated stainless steel, it holds up to 250 milliliters of capacity, enough for dentures, braces, and small jewelry alike. It remains compact enough for both bathroom counters and travel bags without feeling bulky. The added wattage and extra UV lights genuinely improve cleaning consistency compared to lower-powered units. Build quality also feels sturdier thanks to the reinforced stainless steel components. The trade-off is a slightly higher noise ceiling than the model before it, though still far from disruptive. Overall, it's a meaningful step up for anyone dealing with tougher odor or residue issues. Now we're moving into genuinely upgraded territory, where flexibility and daily practicality start mattering just as much as raw power. Dosdios raises the frequency slightly to 49,000 Hz, delivering stronger vibration performance than standard 48 kHz machines, while remaining completely safe for dentures and aligners. KSOI. 4 built-in UV lamps handle odor and residue control, and an auto-off feature protects your eyes if the lid opens mid-cycle, a safety detail not every competitor includes. What really sets this apart is flexibility, with 4 distinct modes, covering a 5-minute quick clean, a 10-minute deep clean combining both technologies, plus standalone ultrasonic-only and UV-only options for specific situations. The dual-slot lid design is a particularly clever touch, letting you clean a toothbrush alongside your retainer in the same cycle while improving airflow and extending the unit's lifespan. Operating below 45 decibels, it holds 220 milliliters of capacity and includes tweezers for hands-free handling. The 4-mode versatility genuinely stands out, giving users far more control than simpler 3-mode machines. The dual-slot design also adds real everyday convenience beyond just retainer care. One limitation worth noting is that it's plug-in only, with no battery or rechargeable option for cordless use. Still, for households wanting maximum flexibility in one device, this delivers impressive value. Here's where curiosity really kicks in, because this next machine claims to eliminate stubborn stains almost entirely rather than just reducing them. Muaysy operates at 45,000 Hz, generating millions of micro-scale bubbles per second that claim to remove up to 99.99% of stubborn stains, a bold benchmark that reflects serious engineering behind the ultrasonic chamber. 4 UV lamps provide full 360-degree coverage, with cleaning power described as 3 times more effective than manual toothbrush scrubbing alone, and the lamps automatically shut off the moment the lid opens for safety. 4 cleaning modes let you combine ultrasonic and UV power together or run either technology independently, adapting easily to lighter technology or deeper deep cleaning needs. The double-hole lid design accommodates toothbrushes and makeup brushes alongside dental appliances, while also improving ventilation and heat disposition for long-term durability. Noise stays remarkably low, and the 200 milliliter capacity comfortably fits both upper and lower dentures simultaneously. The exceptionally quiet operation and dual-item compatibility make this a genuinely versatile daily tool. Strong stain removal claims are also backed by a thoughtful dual-technology design. Its slightly smaller tank capacity compared to earlier models means less room for larger dental appliances at once. Even so, for households wanting quiet, flexible, everyday cleaning, this is one of the strongest all-around performers here. And now we reach the machine that brings genuine engineering innovation into a category most people assume is fairly standardized. Umpopo operates at 48,000 Hz, generating the same micro-size bubble technology found throughout this list, but its standout feature is pulse flow technology. A rhythmic 3-second clean and 2-second rest cycle that increases cleaning efficiency by up to 30% compared to continuous vibration, while remaining gentler on aligners to help prevent micro damage over time. A dedicated UVC lamp handles odor elimination with power that noticeably exceeds manual brushing, automatically shutting off whenever the lid opens for safety. 4 cleaning modes cover everything from quick 5-minute sessions to extended 10-minute ultrasonic and UVC combinations. Noise reduction technology brings operation down below 38 decibels, the quietest on this entire list, and the compact 200 milliliter capacity includes tweezers for easy hands-free handling during use. The pulse flow technology genuinely differentiates this machine, offering smarter, more efficient cleaning without sacrificing gentleness. Class-leading quiet operation also makes it ideal for shared bathrooms or nighttime use. Its smaller capacity means it's built for cleaning one item thoroughly rather than multiple pieces simultaneously. Even with that limitation, its innovative cleaning cycle and refined design make it a genuinely impressive machine to close out this comparison. Balancing power, versatility, and everyday practicality, the Dosdios ultrasonic retainer cleaner machine stands out as the most well-rounded choice overall. Its four flexible cleaning modes and dual-slot design handle real daily routines better than most competitors. If cutting-edge efficiency matters more to you, the Umpopo model's pulse flow technology is worth serious consideration too. Your specific cleaning habits should ultimately guide which one fits best. Which of these 5 cleaners impressed you most? Drop a comment and let us know. If this video helped you decide, tap that like button, subscribe to Budget Buying for more honest comparisons like this one, and check the description below for direct purchase links to everything we covered today.